Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the unboxing of the Galaxy Tab A 8 inches Wi-Fi version. Let us do unboxing. Actually, I was bought from Flipkart. The cost of this one is 9,000, that is 8,999 rupees. If you have a credit card or any other bank debit and debit cards, you will get a 10% off, so that you will get around 8,000. So I will provide in the link in the below description. If you want to buy it, so please go through it through the link. So let us unbox the Galaxy Tab. This is the tab released by the Samsung in 2019. So Galaxy Tab A 8 inches 2019 model. So nice packaging. Let us remove. This is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8 inches. So carefully cut all these things. See this side they have mentioned the seal. So while buying or while opening the tab, before confirm whether there is a seal or not to avoid the duplicate products. So the official seal is there. So let us remove the seal so that we will open the tab and see the contents. What are the contents inside in the box? Take a knife and cut it the seal. Carefully remove the seal without damaging the product. Let us open the box. Yeah, so the Samsung Galaxy Tab A, this is the device. So let us look into the what are the contents are there. This is the ejector pin. Actually this is a Wi-Fi model, not the LTE model. LTE model will cost around 12,000 rupees, so that I will provide the link for that also, so please go through it. So your ejector pin, adapter and the cable, here you will get it cable. So the charger is normal charger, that is fast charger, not for a charger. So 9 volts output and 2 amps. So this is the device. Let us remove this cover and switch on the tab. See, nice looking. It's very light and by the time it boots up, let's see the specifications of this tab. So the tab comes with 8 inches HD display, 1200 to 800, and internals 2 GB RAM and 32 GB internal memory. So it runs on Samsung Exynos 9611 octa-core processor up to 2 GHz speed. So the backside will get the 8 megapixel primary camera, so powered by the 5100 mAh battery, and it runs on the Android 9.0, that is a Pie. So out of the box you will get the update to the latest Android 10 also. So these are the specifications of this tablet. So now see, let us see the setup of this tablet. Let's fastly set up this device. So now we'll see the physical overview of this tablet. So left side you will get that is micro SD card. The right side we get the power button and the volume button, see, and the bottom side you will get the speakers. That is only one speaker, it is stereo speakers. So this is 2 and the microphone, primary microphone, and the USB type C port. Top side you will get the 3.5mm jack. This nothing is there, so it will not support COS because it is not a LTE model, it is only Wi-Fi model. So if you have that if you want to expand memory, you can expand up to 128 GB memory. Now let us see quickly set up the device and look at the performance and the details. So check out all this, some features, and if you want to transfer the old data from one another tablet, so quickly it will transfer the data using this setup. Just choose the Wi-Fi and click on accept and agree all the things. So if you want to set up the pin, you can set, or you can simply leave it. So now I am setting a pin here. So after setting the pin, it will log on. So now getting recommended apps, it will do it. So sign into your account. Samsung later will do all these things. So now finish it, skip all these things, and directly it will log into device. This is the device and the UI. So it runs on the one UI 2.0 version. So based on the Android Pie. This is the notification panel. They have all the options available. This is a very good mid-range tablet. So we will see what a Galaxy Tab A 8.0 2019 model. It runs on it runs on Android 9, Android Pie 9.0. It runs on the latest security patch also. Now we'll see how much memory we get it here, and see here out of 16 GB, 10.6 GB, 32 GB. See, out of 32 GB, 10.6 GB is used, so remaining 20 point something is there. So memory, see, 2 GB memory, out of 2 GB 1 B is used, remaining 1 GB is there. Available space 808 and 200 for reserved space. So there is no bloatware, nothing else, just only Samsung apps they have provided and the Google apps, so nothing out there. So if you want to set up all these things, we'll go through the devices. See, no bloatware is there, only Google apps and Samsung apps. It's a nice mid-range tab, so available at lower than 10,000. So no other company is providing the good tab under this price. So this is one of the popular and most buyed laptop in 2019. It's not tab in 2019. So let us see the now let us see the camera, how it is work and how it will take the quality of this clarity. So this is the camera. So they are producing 8 megapixel primary camera, so it's looking nice.
Hey, చూడు ఎవరో ఫోన్.
Focusing and everything. So later we will provide the review on this tablet, so that we will get the full clarity about the performance and review of the camera and the software issues. So but for primarily the camera is good. So actually in tab we didn't require much of the camera, because for study purpose or for browsing purpose or for watching movies only we use the tablet. So they don't take camera as the primary one to buy the tablet, so we didn't much focus on the camera. But anyhow, we need a camera, so we are discussing about the camera also. See, the clarity and everything is good. The front side camera is also there to take selfies or to do the video callings or over Zoom meetings or Meet Now meetings. So gallery apps. So this is the unboxing of the Galaxy Tab A 8.0. So like this, I will upload lot more videos about the technology and the unboxing videos, tips and tricks, and lot more. So if you want to like more videos and get the notifications of these videos, please click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button, so that you will get the newly uploaded videos notifications on your devices. So please subscribe my channel for more videos and share the videos and like the channel. So thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. Keeping signing off.